I doing here? Who brought me here? Oh, you? I'm in Dubai, enjoying myself. You send me on an airplane, get an airplane, which I appreciate, and then you bring me here? You think I'm catching fish? With gummy bears? Are you out of your mind? You're insane! I don't like this one bit. Just talk to them and they jump out, they jump into the bucket for us? Is that what happens?
これに匂ってください。
You want me to smell this? You want me to get sick?
開けて匂う。
Ugh! What are you doing to me? Oh my god! Would you empty yourself into this? Oh, bingo. You caught one? You caught one? That stuff is darn smelly.
読めますか?
No. What does it say? Makoto fishing. Kukuse. Kukukuse. 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 That says stinks like shit. And you got me smelling it early in the morning? Nice smile.
Nice smile.
Yes. You got a very nice smile and you're a good fisherman. I think I can learn from you.
Whoa. Oh no.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, hello. How are you? Nice to meet you. Cleaning the water for us? Yeah, leave that water in there. I wasn't born yesterday, so you're trying to tell me some gummy bears and some stink like shit, whatever this is, I'm gonna be able to catch fish with a gummy bear. A gummy bear. What do you think, I was born yesterday? Think I'm a fool? A damn fool? Yeah, it is. You brought me all the way over here to play tricks on me. But I'm gonna give it a shot, and if it works, I will be your biggest fan and your biggest supporter. I'm skeptical. I'm not believing this right now. A gummy bear and some stinky squid ink. Kukukuse. Kukukuse.
Oh, 折れるさ。
There, that's what we got you with. Good job there, fellas. Nice little fella. That's some good work. All right, now we started fishing. That's the guy. That's like his 7th, 8th today. He's the fishing champion over there. That's the guy. It's the purple shirt. And like the purple shirt and the big smile. He doesn't even need Essa. He just needs his personality. They want to jump up in the boat with him. Okay, hit! Ichigeki dango, bah! Gomenne. Hey, got another one. Ina-san, got one. Yasumi-san, I got one. Gomenne. Oh, come on, come on. Oh, now, get in there. Get in there.
おお
Oh, Gumi, Dango, Guchoki Pa! Kukuze! This Gumi going in that water and catching that fish.
オッケー。
食え！
あかんかん逃げた。ちょっと待って食うから。よしよしよしよし待ってて。オッケーオッケーオッケーオッケーオッケーオッケー。
食え！Gumi! Ichigeki Gumi! 食え！Guchoki Pa! Pa! Come on, boy! Oh! Almost! Come on! Come on! Oh, こっちこっちこっち! Oh yeah! Ina-san!
グミで。
グミ一撃グミでグーチョキパークコグゼOh, that's a beauty.
おお。
Oh, I'm glad I left Dubai to come here now. We woke up early this morning. I was a cranky SOB, but now I'm happy.
えい。はい。
Ango! Gumi Ichigeki Ango strikes again. Go! Ina-san. Catching up, baby boy. Got the fly that kills, but I got the fish that pulls. Oh boy, he's running away. Oh boy. Oh, another one over there. The good luck is starting to shine down. They're jumping out of the water.
お
Oh,
お食え食え食え食え。
oh, it's a beauty.
こっちこっち。食えやな。こっちね。こっち。オッケーオッケーオッケー。置いといて置いといて置いといて。
Yes! Ichigeki Gumi! Dango! Kochi, kochi.
ああ、こっちこっちこっち。ここにも来た。来た来た。両方。すみません。
今撮影してる？
ちょっと待ってよ。はい、ありがとうございます。よいしょ。それはハリスが太いから大丈夫や。
Leaving on a jet plane. Don't know when I'll be back again. They're jumping out of the water. This is like number 10.
ドラグが
gorilla.
ドラグが弱い。
Gonna take all day.
巻いて。オッケーオッケー。
Oh, yeah. Another beautiful fish. How about that? Ina-san.
皆さん。
Ina-san. Take a look. Take a look.
すごいすごい。
Take a look, Ina-san. I was in Dubai yesterday.
オッケー。
Ichigeki Gumi. Bah! Kufukuze. Ichigeki Gumi. They're jumping out of the water. This is miracle food right there. This is miracle fish food. The genius made that thing. 2 of them. This is like 10, 12, 15 fish in like an hour or 2. It's amazing.
すげえ。
ありがとうございます。青よりクエの方が釣りやすい。え？ グミで来るから面白いですね。
Woo! What a day at USA in Wakayama. The Tsuri dropped down from heaven. What a beautiful place. What we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 3 beautiful grouper. This is primo, #1 delicious fish with sashimi, nabe, fried, whatever you want, filleted. It's delicious. And you know how we caught it? First of all, Mr. B knows what he's doing. Ina-san, the fishing princess, taught me lots this week. We got the ichigeki gumi and the kukukuze, and the fish were just jumping out. And you know what?